This quick video is about how to change your YouTube revenue currency on iPhone using YouTube Studio app. And this process same for iOS and Android phones. Okay, first open YT Studio app. Yeah, here my revenue was shown in US dollars. To change this, click here. Then click on Settings. Now you can see this option Currency. Tap that. Here you can change the currencies. For now I choose Australian dollars. After you choose the currency, just back, close this, refresh the page. Yeah, now it's changed to Australian dollars. Likewise, you can change your YouTube revenue to any country currencies. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.